Immigration and Customs Enforcement arrested one of the organizers of the pro-Hamas encampments at Columbia University last week. What does this mean? A lot of left-wing critics are saying that this is a violation of First Amendment rights, since not only was he in the United States, but he was also a legal permanent resident. And so this is an attack on his free speech. However, those critics are wrong for the simple reason that the law upheld by the Supreme Court allows the executive branch to ideologically screen migrants in this country. And this is absolutely essential to maintain any Western society. We cannot have a civilized society if we welcome people who hate us, right? And that's the argument that Ilya Shapiro and I make in our New York Post op-ed, that not only is this legal, but it is a good thing. It is legal because the Immigration and Nationality Act has, for now well over a century, had ideological restrictions on immigration. Communists, anarchists, people who hate the country, and now, as the President Trump is applying it, Islamists should not be welcomed into the United States. Now, of course, these provisions are ripe for abuse, because who is any of these definitions? And we certainly understand that that's a concern, but it is not a concern as of how it is being applied today. And that is what we need to take into account and judge so far. This individual clearly hates Western civilization. Many more of them are in our college campuses, and it would be suicidal for any nation to welcome people who hate that nation in the name of free speech, right? That's how free speech is abolished eventually. We are living in a college campus culture that has for decades censored conservatives. And now when there is any attempt to enforce the law on people who illegally occupy private property, that is censorship? I don't think so.
For more stories just like these, be sure to subscribe to the New York Post right here on YouTube.